What? Why? Oh man, the things that you hear in your head. I do not recommend making beats this way. Today is going to be a beat challenge where I make a beat without sound. No speakers, no headphones, volumes down. I can't hear anything. You guys will be able to hear the sounds that I'm picking and the beat that I'm making, but I won't be able to. And I'm going to throw a 15-minute timer on it. So anything after 15 minutes, that's it. That's the beat. And none of these sounds are pre-selected. Nothing's pre-prepared. As soon as I hit this 15-minute mark, I know the anxiety is going to hit me. So here we go. And I'll walk you guys through some of this stuff, so hopefully we can learn together. And I'm sure this is going to be a lot harder than I expect. So I don't know what these presets are. Oh, man. I'm sorry if it sounds horrible. Let's just hit a tempo out. Sure, that's it. I guess the click will be helpful for me visualizing where the beats are. Let me think of a chord progression. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use. I don't know what it sounds like, but here we go. Let me visualize. So what I'm doing here is I'm visualizing the clicks. I can see them right here. So here we go. Just so I'm on tempo. Okay, that's it. Alt Q, quantize. How's it working out for you guys? Oh man, that was 3 minutes. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna give you some keys. Gotta go a little faster. Maybe I should have done a 20-minute challenge. Here we go. Okay, yes. That seemed about right. Gotta move. Give me like a lead or something. Let's give it a little listen. I gotta move though, so I'm gonna go bass. I feel like I'm gonna have to whip the drums out real quick after this. Ooh, basses, some are really bad. Some have a lot of synthesizer in them. Rolandite. Sorry, guys. I'm just going to kind of stick to my root notes here. Let's see. 7 minutes. Okay, so we're like halfway done. Chords, piano, synth, bass. Let's jump to some drums. This is brutal. So I'm just going to click here at the end so it opens it up and then just click 4 steps. No idea. And let me get a snare or something while I'm at it. How's that sound? There's the kicks and the snare. What are we doing on time? 4 minutes. Okay. And I'm sticking to this kit because I don't want to dig. And what does it matter? I can't even hear anything. Clean? Okay, cool. Yeah, that's good. I think. Let's throw a tom roll at the end. Why not? Yeah, I have no idea. So tom rolls kind of pitch them. So here's your roll. Kind of same with snare rolls. Kind of gives it that descending sound. What do we got so far? Sorry if anything's too loud for your ears. Timing. Oh, 1.5 minutes. Okay. What do we want to add? Omnisphere. Yeah, why not? Alt Q. Boom. 15 seconds. There it is. There's the beat. Time. So now is the cringy part where I get to listen to it. Well, cringy part for me. You guys have already had to deal with it. All right, got my headphones. I want to have a little build up here. So I'm going to take out the drums. Maybe that last choir that I added, I'll throw here. So here we go. What? No. That's horrible. That kick was supposed to hit. That's hilarious. Where's my tom roll? Where's my tom roll? That's it? Oh man, the things that you hear in your head. So let me just review some of this. So this is the first sound that I started with. Why? Why? What is this? Swing pipes? Okay, second roll. Can't go wrong with the piano. You know that it's a piano. And yes. Okay. What is this supposed to be? Is this my bass? That's a horrible bass. Everything that I tried to pick out, I pictured it as a lot fuller and a lot stronger. These are just super laid back. That is not a bass. The Tams, they came out good. Now this kick is super disappointing to me because I was picturing something hitting. Oh man, how disappointing. Hats are pretty much what I expected. The tom roll, it's fine. It's a fine tom roll. It's just the only thing is that I was picturing like a little bit more heavier, fuller toms. That's alright. I kind of pictured it up an octave. But, you know, work with what you got. So you know what I'm going to do is later I'm going to mix this and see if I can get it to sound close to cool. But as of right now, it ain't it. So it's a few days later and I've mixed the beat. So I did two mixes. One mix is all the same instruments, just tried to make it sound good. It still doesn't sound great. And then I did a second mix where I just replaced every instrument with an instrument that I chose while being able to hear. So it was kind of a cool experiment for me to see that I could take a whack beat, replace the instruments, and make it sound substantially better. So let's give it a listen. The second mix is the same MIDI rolls, just different instruments, different mix, and it sounds a lot better. So I just want to say thanks for hanging with me on this one, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.